Greetings, fellow tech enthusiasts! Welcome to the one-stop shop for all the latest and greatest in the world of technology, Future Tech Vids. We're thrilled to bring you the most cutting-edge gadgets, innovative software, and game-changing advancements in the tech industry. Today, get ready to buckle up as we unveil the ultimate lineup of the top 10 covert contraptions that will turn you into a stealthy superstar. Ready to dive headfirst into the mysterious realm of Secret Service. Spytek STI GL300 Mini Portable GPS Trackers. Introducing the Spytek STI GL300 Small Portable GPS Tracker, your ultimate solution for flawless car tracking. When perfection is paramount, this compact marvel delivers with remarkable speed and accuracy. This tiny yet powerful device excels in keeping tabs on vehicles, providing real-time and accurate information. Don't worry about drawing unwanted attention. Its discreet size ensures it stays incognito, blending seamlessly into the surroundings. With a Spytek STI GL300, you'll never miss a beat when it comes to monitoring moving vehicles. Stay in control and embrace the advantages of this compact tracker, granting you peace of mind and confidence in your tracking endeavors. U-Letter RFID Cell Phone Signal Blocking Pouch. Introducing the RFID Blocking Letter Case, your ultimate defense against the perils of data theft. In a world where personal information is constantly at risk, this compact powerhouse emerges as your guardian. Shield your sensitive data from RFID signals with ease. Defying fashion norms with this functional pouch protects your credit cards and cell phone secrets. With phone signal blocking, RFID resistance, anti-degaussing, and radiation protection, it's a formidable security solution. Despite its small size, it delivers unparalleled protection. Lightweight and portable, it's a must-have for the security-conscious. Embrace style and safeguarding with RFID blocking lettered case. Take back control, experience peace of mind. Hidden Spy Camera Pen. Unleash your covert prowess with a GPS Covert Spy Camera Pen, the epitome of discretion. This incredible device captures stills, records movies and loops, and detects motion, making it your ultimate spy tool. Featuring cutting-edge Starlight night vision, this pen seamlessly operates in the darkest hours. Its high-quality Japanese lens delivers stunning 1080p HD imagery. Never miss a moment in low-light conditions. Disguised as a regular pen, it blends effortlessly. It even includes a 32GB SD card for ample storage. Embrace the power of covert recording with his faithful companion, concealing evidence with a simple writing tool. The question lingers, who suspects the pen? DB Power RC Quadcopter Drone. Crafted with unrivaled expertise, creativity, and experience, this drone allows you to soar to new heights and capture awe-inspiring pictures and videos from a whole new perspective. The possibilities are endless. Controlling this marvel is a breeze. Simply connect your phone to the MJXH signal and download the MJXH app. With just tap, you'll have complete command over your drone and live feed from its camera right in your phone. When your mission is complete, effortlessly summon your drone back with one key return button. Featuring the high-resolution C4005 FPV camera, headless mode, one-key return, 360-degree flips, and vibrant LED lighting. This drone packs a punch. It boasts a generous battery capacity, user-friendly operation, an impressive camera, and the convenience of mobile device control. The SpyBolt Covert Hidden Content Secret Container. Welcome to the realm of hidden secrets, my friends. Prepare to be amazed by the mystical powers of this enigmatic hollow vault. Within its unassuming exterior lies a clandestine space, precisely 2.8 cubic inches in size, eager to conceal your most valuable treasures. Imagine stashing your cash or those precious trinkets during your undercover escapades without a worry of prying eyes. Now let's unveil the astonishing features this vault beholds. With an impressive 8 cubic inch capacity, it holds more than meets the eye. Its O-ring seal ensures an airtight sanctuary, shielding your possessions from the elements. But here's the kicker, it possesses reverse threading, a genius invention rendering theft impossible. Coupled with two bolts, one smaller than the other, it's the ultimate hideaway for all things petite. JMD HKK Anti-Spy RF Detector. Stay one step ahead, my friends, with the incredible JMD HKK Anti-Spy RF Detector. Don't let your guard down, even in seemingly safe environments. This remarkable device is your trusted ally, revealing any lurking surveillance equipment nearby. Equipped with cutting-edge LED laser technology, it effortlessly uncovers wired or wireless devices. Cleverly concealed, no magnetic field or radio wave can escape its keen detection. This product boasts a top-notch grade guaranteeing the discovery of any hidden spy gadgets. Prioritize your safety and avoid unnecessary risks with a JMD HKK Anti-Spy RF Detector by your side. You'll be well informed and prepared for any lurking threats. Stay vigilant, my friends, and keep yourself out of harm's way. RF Wind Rear View Mirror Spy Sunglasses appear effortlessly stylish with a seemingly ordinary pair of trendy glasses. However, donning them grants you an extraordinary ability to look straight ahead while simultaneously keeping an eye on what's happening behind you. No need for eyes in the back of your head anymore. With lenses of respectable quality, these glasses offer a clear view of your surroundings, ensuring your safety and awareness. Embrace their unique design, blending seamlessly into your ensemble, leaving no room for skepticism. Equip yourself with these ingenious spy gadgets, allowing you to stay one step ahead without ever turning around. Maintain your cover and keep an eye on potential threats. The world of espionage just got a whole lot safer. COO Max Mini Hidden Spy Earphones. Get ready to unleash your mischievous side, my friends, with Comax's mind-blowing creation that will turn your love for music into a prankster's dream. Picture this, a small wireless earphone that doubles as an inductive receiver, allowing you to manipulate the sound stream using electromagnetic induction. With its discreet size, you can stealthily scare people without drawing any suspicion, making it ideal for situations where flaunting earpieces wouldn't be wise. Prepare to hear crystal clear voices and be heard with precision thanks to this incredible gadget. Compatible with a vast range of devices, it effortlessly connects through inductive electromagnetic signals, whether it's for calls, FM radio, or even your trusty MP3 player. It's small, portable, easy to wear, harmless, and best of all, easy to conceal. Embrace the power of covert communication and hidden mischief with Comax's exceptional wireless earphone. It's time to have some fun while keeping your secrets close. KEQI Super HD Wrist Smartwatch. Get ready to revolutionize your spy game with Kiki's extraordinary smartwatch. Brace yourself for a mind-blowing array of spy features packed into this cutting-edge device. From sound and video recordings to capturing 2K HD color videos, it's a spy's dream come true. But that's not all, let's talk battery life. A crucial factor for any covert operation, fear not, as this smartwatch boasts an impressive 60-minute battery lifespan, ensuring you won't be left in the dark during critical moments. Say goodbye to the fear of your device running out of power with Kiki Smartwatch. You'll be equipped with unparalleled spying capabilities and unmatched stamina. Embrace this game-changing gadget and elevate your espionage endeavors to new heights. It's time to embrace the future of covert technology. Spy USB Charger Camera. Concealing a hidden camera within its innocent facade, unleash your inner spy and capture stunning pictures to view on your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. With its built-in 32GB SD card, recording and storing crucial information becomes effortless. This ingenious device boasts a 1080p hidden camera, ensuring top-notch image quality. It offers a loop recording and motion detection features, allowing for seamless operation. With a true wall charger functionality and its inconspicuous appearance, it blends seamlessly into any environment. Unlock the potential of this versatile USB adapter, a master of disguise. It not only functions flawlessly as a charger, but also wields a powerful camera. Stay one step ahead, capturing vital moments discreetly. Embrace the advantages of this remarkable gadget and let your spy adventures begin. We appreciate you choosing to join us here on Future Tech Vids. Remember to show your appreciation by giving us a thumbs up, sharing our content with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. Be sure to tap the notification bell to remain informed about our latest updates. We can't wait to catch up with you on our next video.